I was sent these closet dividers from Baby Nest, and look how cute they are. They come in sizes from newborn all the way to 18 to 24 months. And as you can see, they have big numbers, and it's also unisex designs. So that's really nice. This is in the boho pattern. Let me show you a close-up so you can see what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what the closet dividers look like. And they're made of really good plastic material, and this will fit up to a 1.5-inch closet rail. And as you can see, it has a big writing or numbers in the front and also on the back too. And it has really nice designs. So it has 7 of them. This is newborn. This is 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9 to 12 months, 12 to 18 months, and 18 to 24 months. Aren't these so nice? This would make a great gift for somebody that just had a baby or for yourself. That way you can organize all their clothes and all the gifts that you get from them. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.